Okay, let's look at question 12. Find the largest positive integer n less than 10,000 such that 1 plus 2024 n squared is a perfect square. Or therefore, in this case, you can say that 1 plus 2024 n squared is equal to x squared. And then you shift your 2024 n squared to the right hand side, you will get x squared minus 2024 n squared is equal to 1. Therefore, this is the Pell equation type. Okay, let me do a background of Pell equation. Pell equation is of the form x squared minus d y squared equal to 1, where d is not a square, or d is not a square. Then how do you solve this type of equation? Or you can go and Google and understand the theory behind it. Right? First, you find a single solution, whereby your x1, y1 satisfied this Pell equation, right? Where both x1 and y1 are positive integers. Then the rest of the solution are generated by this form, which is x subscript k, y subscript k, square root d is equal to y1 plus x1 plus y1 square root d bracket to the power k, where k is 2, 3, 4, and so on. That means actually this Bell equation has infinite number of solutions, or infinite number of solutions. Therefore, I think once you know the theory, I think you can straight away use this to solve the equation, right? You can use this to solve the equation. Okay, therefore now we go back to the original equation. The original equation is x squared minus 2024 n squared, and it is equal to 1. Therefore, your x is your x now, and then your y is now my n. Is now my n. And then I think obviously there is one obvious solution. There's one obvious solution because we noticed that 45 squared is actually 2025. Therefore, x can be just equal to 45, and then your n is equal to 1. Right? Then this is one of the solution. This is one of the solution. Therefore, in this case, can you see that? You will get this? That means your x1, n1 in this case, is actually 45 and 1. Then remember, by Pell equation, by the rest of the solution is generated by this form, right? Therefore, in this case, I look at x2 plus n2, and then this is square root of 2024, square root of 2024, and it is just equal to 45 plus 1, and then square root of 2024, and then raised to the power of 2, or raised to the power of 2. Then in this case, can you see that? This would be just equal to what? This would be just equal to 2025, and then plus 90, square root of 2024, and then plus 2024, right? And in this case, you will get 4049, and then plus 90, square root of 2024, right? Take note, you are looking for what? You are looking for integer solution. Therefore, in this case, can you see that by comparison, you can see that x2, n2 is just equal to 4049, and then your n2 is actually 90. Next, we look at k equal to 3. That means we are looking at x3 plus the next solution will be n3 and then square root of 2024. And this would be just equal to what? This would be just equal to 4049. 4049, sorry. It will be just equal to 45. Remember the form, this will be 45 plus 1, and then square root 2024, and then to the power of 3, right? To the power of 3. But we know that the square give you this, right? Can you see that? The square give you this. The square give you this. Therefore, now we can say that 4049 plus 90 square root 2024. This is actually the square. Therefore, you multiply by 45 plus square root of 2024. Can? Because take note, this is actually the thing square, right? Therefore, to get your cube, you just multiply one more term. You just multiply one more term. And from this, can you see that you don't need to get all the you don't need to get the full expansion. You can say that you get this multiplied by this, that will be 4049, and then after that you get this multiplied by this, right? That means you get 90 times 45, and then square root of 2024, and then plus what? Plus this multiplied by this. Therefore this is 4049 square root of 2024, and then the last term is actually 90 multiplied by 2024, right? Therefore, can you see that basically you get this 4049 plus 90 2024. This is actually your x3. And then what is your x2? What is your n3? What is your n3? It is just 90 multiplied by 45 plus 4049. And then this is square root 2024. 2024. And this is actually your n3. Right? And your n3 is basically 4049 plus 90 times 45. And the answer n3 would be just equal to 8089 or 8089. And this is less than 10,000. The next n4 would be greater than 10,000. Therefore, I think this is the largest value that you can get. Yeah, because they say find the largest positive integer n. Therefore, the answer, this is the answer. Can 8089. Yeah. With that, I stop here.